Usually the best at what they do don't make the most money. The best trainers aren't the most ones you see on Instagram and blase. The people who are the best at what they do are high energy, but they usually aren't very organized.
I was just writing checks to the IRS like everybody else. Then my
Because being the best at what you do, you got to be creative.
accountant showed me the
Creative people usually aren't organized. They don't think linear. They think centrifugally instead of centripetally.
S-corp election, and I thought, wait, this has been available the whole time? Here's how it works. An S-corp election is a form you can fill out for your LLC that completely changes how you're taxed as an owner. Say your side business makes $100,000 a year. If you're a sole proprietor, what most people are by default, you generally pay self-employment tax on the business profit. That's roughly $15,300 gone before income tax. Here's what changes when your LLC is taxed as an S-corp. You split that income into two buckets, a salary and a distribution. So hypothetically, say you pay yourself a reasonable salary, maybe $60,000 a year. Your payroll taxes on that are about $9,200 a year. The other $40,000 comes to you as a distribution. You still pay income tax on it, but you skip the 15.3% self-employment tax. That saves you about $6,100 on that portion alone. You might have to subtract a payroll service and an accountant. Let's say that cost you $2,000 a year, and you're still netting around $4,000 in real savings every year with.
So this isn't a tax show. Let's skip over to equipment.
Certain businesses pay practically no taxes for years, and it's completely legal. Buy equipment, write a big chunk of it off in year one. This is how business owners in.
So he's talking about tax stuff again. So this ain't a tax show. Get a CPA. All right. So the last thing we're gonna check out. How I bought a gas station and now make 37 million. Wow. Okay. G.
Would you guys like to know how much revenue a gas station can generate?
I like Uplip too. Good follow on Instagram.
Surprise and shock you, so stick around and find out.
So today we'll tell you how we turn a $1 million investment into a $37 million yearly revenue.
That's huge, so stick around to find out about that and a lot more. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing your story, your family business. Tell us a little bit about your background and when you first bought your gas station.
So first gas station we bought, it was 2019. It's been 3 years. Now we have a total of 8. I did start in retail about 15 years ago. That actually brought me into owning a gas station again.